Hello, in this video we will be replacing the front-facing camera on, as you can see, an iPhone 14 Pro. The camera was damaged after a very hard fall or a throw. We don't judge. So not only the front-facing camera was not working, you guessed it, the main camera was also not working. So I only replaced it with a new one as the customer asked. As you can see, by installing a new camera, all cameras are now working. So why do we need to replace only a front-facing camera? Well, the issue is we need to replace only the front-facing camera as the whole module is also for Face ID. And the dot projector and infrared camera cannot be replaced as they are married to the CPU. So as our new camera is from a donor phone, we need to remove the new camera from the module. First, cut the bracket on the side to get access to the camera. Now carefully lift the camera from the module. It's glued, so be careful. Now do the same thing to the original module. Remove the glue left over everywhere so the new camera can sit correctly. Add a super glue to the bracket, that way you don't accidentally leak glue inside the camera. Press the camera down, but not with anything that is sharp, as you can damage the camera sensor that is underneath the metal shield. Let it dry and then assemble the module by soldering the side where the cut is. Add a piece of metal to make a good contact between the sides. You can use this metal piece from an old iPhone shield or you can use a battery nickel strip for soldering. As you can see, all the camera's functions are working as the Face ID. So that will be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more interesting repair videos. And if you have any other questions, just leave them in the comment section down below and I will try to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you next time.